Maxwell Airport. Oh, there's a plane right there. That's pretty close. God, it looks like it's coming right over the road. Wow, there's planes in the sky all over the place. So we're getting ready to leave Georgia and cross into Alabama. Chattahoochee River. And somewhere it should say, "Welcome to Alabama." Alabama, where's your welcome to Alabama? There it is. Sweet home Alabama, right there. Alright, didn't miss it this time. Ooh, marine helicopter. Very cool. Wonder why.
Had a sign several miles back, left lane closed ahead.
Two signs. It was two signs.
Yeah, and now that we finally get to the place, it's the right lane that's closed ahead. It's irritating when they give you false information. That's enough to piss you off and cause road rage right there. And caused by
I had road rage against all of the people in the left lane.
Alabama Department of Transportation. Maybe it was something as simple as just the Department of Transportation people didn't know the right hand from the left hand. Maybe they literally just didn't know their left from the right. Should we give them the benefit of the doubt on that?
No.
After about a 45-minute delay, we did get moving, and I think some of the longer delays were caused by their wrong signage on which lane to get into.
You keep right.
We saw that guy at the where was that at? Rest area or the welcome center?
Now keep right. It's the same thing. So whatever. 2-day street.
Maxwell Air Force Base.
Maxwell?
Maxwell? I think it was Maxwell. No? I got the sign. We'll see.
Where we made this easy day drive here to Gunter Hill Campgrounds. Our current plans are to stay here for 3 nights. We have a few things we need to take care of while we're in the area.
Really? That's a long haul.
One right here. A few months ago, maybe a year ago, I'm not sure, we were here. So we are literally one down from before. So we'll see. Cool. This was really good and open, I remember, for solar. We'll have to see how this one does.
We're tucked in here at the Gunter Hill Campground just outside of Prattsville, Alabama, and it might just be one of the best kept secrets for RVers in the area. This is a U.S. Army Corps of Engineers park, which usually means a couple of things. It's spacious sites, well-maintained grounds, and a quieter, laid-back atmosphere. And it's pretty affordable. The camper sits on a concrete pad, and we have a large gravel area with a picnic table and a burn pit. Oh, and did I mention it's full hookups? Also, if you're into boating and fishing, it sits right on the Alabama River. When we got to the park, I mentioned we had a project we needed to get done. To help explain this, I've got to go back to last week's video when we had the flat tire along I-75 in northern Florida. The good folks from Florida's FDOT came along and put the spare tire on for us. Something I didn't film when we were in Lake Oconee back in Georgia was I took the tire to Discount Tires in Athens, Georgia, and had a new tire put on. Which brings us back to today. We had discovered that there were a lot more problems with our tires than we realized, and we needed to get the other tires changed while we were here. So we jacked up the camper and removed 2 more tires and rims, and we took them into Prattsville to the Discount Tire to have 2 new rubber tires put on the rims.
Clock tower.
At the light, turn left onto Legends Drive. Then at the next stop sign.
So we called the local Discount Tire here and scheduled an appointment and took the tires and the rims in.
So just dropped off the 2 tires at Discount Tire here in Prattville, Alabama.
These 2 tires in question were installed back in Tucson, Arizona at Discount Tire, but it was more than 10,000 miles ago. Anybody out there watching this video, let me know if you've seen wear like this on a tire before.
Well, we're hanging around. I'm kind of watching the tires there. We're going to see just how long they take to get in. The estimated time of completion is 12 something here, but we'll see how quickly they get them in. Okay, check this out. While I'm waiting here in the lobby, I can track it on my phone.
We got the 2 new tires put on the rims in the time that they said they would, and we took them back to the campground where Millie was waiting and got them installed. And so far, everything looks good. We'll keep you posted. We'll keep an eye on these in our travels and see if we've got some other issues, if we have the same thing crops up again on these tires in the next 10,000 miles.
I gotta say, some of these sites, Lordy be, they have to be 100 feet long or more, with plenty of hangover room to the back. Heck, you could probably have 2 fifth wheels in here, and this is nice. This time of year, before the leaves come out, the Spanish moss really hangs out. Looks pretty cool.
It's time to get ready for our next adventure.
All right, and the last thing we have to do here is Starlink on this wet, rainy morning. All right, it is pack up day here at Gunter Hill, Gunter's, I think it's Gunter's Hill State Park, just outside of Montgomery, Alabama. We've got the trash packed. You can kind of see it rained all night. It was raining this morning. I don't know, 8:30, 9 o'clock, it has quit rain, and it looks like the rain is going to come back again, but we've got about a 1 hour window. So we've dried off the slides and got Starlink put away. I'll do the electric, I just noticed. And we're heading to Mississippi today. So let's head out.
Today we're heading to Pascagoula, Mississippi, to the Elks Lodge. We've been there before, and it is in 119 miles. We're getting off on mile 0 at exit 0, I-10 West. Enter entering Mobile County. And then we're crossing Mobile River.
There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Mississippi, 1 mile.
Hey, we hope you guys will join us next week as we clear 2 more states, Mississippi and Louisiana, on our way out west. Make sure that you are subscribed to this new channel, and we'll see you guys next week. Cheers, everybody.
Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.